In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen, PowerPoint, and video on Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to display your slides clearly and make any video or audio in your presentation play smoothly for everyone in the meeting. First, open Zoom on your computer. You can use the desktop app or your browser. Before you begin, it helps to close any windows you don't want to accidentally show and turn on Do Not Disturb, so notifications don't pop up during your presentation. Next, join an existing meeting or start a new one. When the meeting opens, confirm your audio is connected so you can speak while you present. If you're using an external mic or speakers, plug them in and select them in Zoom's audio options so your audience hears you clearly. Now take a look at the bottom toolbar of the Zoom meeting window. If you don't see it, move your mouse to reveal it. You're looking for the green Share Screen button. If your Zoom window is maximized or you're already in a slideshow, tap Escape to bring the controls back into view. Click Share Screen to open the sharing window. Here you'll see thumbnails of everything Zoom can share: your entire screen, specific monitors if you have more than one, and individual application windows. Sharing your whole screen lets you switch between apps easily, but it also shows everything on that screen. To keep things focused and private, it's often better to share just the window you need. Select the specific window that contains your PowerPoint. If you'll be presenting in slideshow mode, choose the slideshow window, not the editing view, so attendees see the full screen slides. If your presentation includes audio or a video clip, check the options in the Share window to share your computer sound and, if available, optimize for video. This ensures smooth playback and clear audio for your audience. If your video will play from a separate app or browser, select the window where that video will run so viewers can see and hear it. Finally, click Share. You'll see a colored border around the shared content and a small toolbar at the top of your screen with controls to pause or stop sharing. Start your slideshow, speak at a steady pace, and when you're ready to play a video, click Play and let it run. You can briefly pause your narration while the audio plays to avoid talking over it. When you're done, click Stop Share to return to the meeting view. That's all you need to share your PowerPoint and video on Zoom with confidence.